Thinking about launching a business that can scale quickly? Then you've landed in the right place. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of quickly scalable business ideas. In business, scalability refers to the capacity to expand without a corresponding increase in costs. It's about finding that sweet spot where growth in demand meets an efficient, cost-effective supply. So if you're ready to embark on a journey of growth and success, buckle up. Get ready to discover 15 business ideas known for their quick scalability. Firstly, consider Business Idea 1, Software as a Service, or SaaS. This involves developing cloud-based software that serves businesses or individual consumers. Once the software is developed, it can be distributed to an almost unlimited number of customers at little extra cost. This model is known for its high scalability and low operational costs. Moving on, let's talk about Business Idea 2, E-commerce Dropshipping. This model allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory. You simply partner with suppliers who fulfill orders on your behalf. This allows you to scale quickly without worrying about storage or shipping logistics. Lastly, consider Business Idea 3, starting a digital marketing agency. Here you can offer services such as search engine optimization, content marketing, and social media management. As your client base grows, you can scale up by hiring more digital marketers or using automated tools. This business model allows for rapid growth with minimal overheads. With these ideas, you can grow your business fast and keep costs low. Next, let's explore the fourth business idea, creating online education and e-courses. With the digital revolution, knowledge is at a premium, and so is the means to impart it. Once you've developed a course, you can sell it to countless students worldwide with very little additional effort. Our fifth potential business venture is the exciting world of mobile app development. With the right concept, some coding skills, and a robust marketing strategy, your user base could grow exponentially. Revenue streams from mobile apps are diverse, such as in-app purchases, ads, or even subscriptions. And finally, our sixth business model for this segment is subscription-based businesses. Whether it's a monthly sock delivery or access to exclusive digital content, the subscription model provides a steady, predictable income stream. Plus, it can scale rapidly as you expand your base. These businesses can reach a wide audience and scale with minimal additional effort. With the right idea and execution, you could be on your way to creating a quickly scalable business in no time. Moving on to our fourth business idea, have you considered print on demand? This business model lets you offer customized products like t-shirts, mugs, or books that are printed only when an order is made. No need for inventory, no storage woes, just creativity and a keen eye for customers' want. It's a model that allows for rapid scaling. Each new design is new product. Coming in at number 5 is affiliate marketing. This is about promoting other people's products and earning a commission. With the right strategies in SEO and content marketing, you can reach a broad audience rapidly, and the more products you successfully promote, the more your grows. And finally, our sixth business idea is content creation. Blogs, YouTube channels, podcasts, the digital world is your oyster. With engaging content and a savvy marketing strategy, your audience can quickly. Monetization? That comes from ads, sponsorships, and yes, affiliate marketing too. With these ideas, you can expand your business rapidly without the need for physical inventory or large upfront investment. Moving on to business option number 4, we have tech support, or IT consulting. As our digital landscape continues to expand, so does the need for IT services and support. By developing a reputation for reliable service, it is possible for your client base to multiply and your business to scale by employing more tech experts or by diversifying your service offerings. Our fifth business idea is the cloud kitchen or ghost kitchen concept. This is where meals are exclusively prepared for delivery, removing the necessity for a physical eatery. This model allows you to easily adapt to changing consumer preferences by introducing new cuisines or extending your delivery zones. What makes this model particularly appealing is its flexibility and its potential for rapid scaling. And finally, business idea number 6 is virtual event planning. With businesses rapidly shifting to digital platforms, the demand for online events has skyrocketed. Whether organizing webinars, online conferences, or virtual workshops, scalability is achieved by expanding your team or enhancing your technological capabilities. These ideas present a way to meet increasing demand without requiring any physical space or incurring significant additional costs. Fourthly, ponder on SEO consulting. In this digital age, businesses are persistently battling for prime positions on search engine results. By extending your proficiency to aid businesses boost their online visibility, you can promptly scale this idea. As your clientele base expands, just increase your team of SEO wizards. Fifthly, what about online fitness coaching? In a realm where convenience rules, providing virtual fitness classes or personal training sessions can shift the game. This business model authorizes you to connect with clients globally. You can level up smoothly by extending your client base and offering recorded sessions for those who prefer to work out on their own timetable. Lastly, the sixth idea to consider is web development and design. Every business requires a website, right? As your portfolio enlarges, so does your scalability. You can effortlessly expand by employing more developers or offering additional services like website maintenance and SEO optimization. These businesses can flourish rapidly, catering more clients without a proportional surge in costs. Here we go, recapping the 15 scalable business ideas we just discussed. 1. Developing software as a service. 2. Launching your own e-commerce dropshipping business. 3. Starting a digital marketing agency. 4. Creating online educational courses. 5. Developing a mobile app. 6. Setting up a subscription model business. 7. Starting a print-on-demand service. 8. Diving into affiliate marketing. 9. Creating engaging content on blogs or YouTube. 10. Providing tech support and IT consulting. 11. Opening a cloud kitchen. 12. Offering virtual event planning. 13. Providing SEO consulting. 14. Taking on the global reach of online fitness coaching. 15. Offering web development and design services. All these ideas are scalable and allow for rapid growth without the corresponding increase in costs. Remember, the key is choosing a business idea that aligns with your skills, interests, and the market demand. A scalable business lets you reach a wider audience, grow your revenue, and maximize your impact without significantly increasing your costs. Now it's your turn to take the next step. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check the video description for a link to our comprehensive startup planner. Turn your business ideas into reality today.